Imagine turning a single image into a stunning AI video in just minutes, without editing skills, without expensive software, and without paying anything up front. What if I told you that you can create image-to-video AI content that looks professional, cinematic, and perfect for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok? In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the best AI tools available right now for doing exactly that. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about AI tools, content creation, and smart ways to grow online using technology. In this video, we're diving into Animon AI, one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly AI video generators for creating image-to-video content completely free and in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Animon AI. Once the website loads, look at the top right-hand side of the screen and click on the Sign Up button. Here you have two options. You can sign in using your email and password, or you can simply choose Sign in with Google. For this tutorial, I'll click on Sign in with Google because it's faster. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Animon AI dashboard. Take a moment to look around. You'll notice several powerful features available, such as text-to-image, image matting, keyframes, image-to-anime, extend, and more. Each of these tools serves a different purpose, but today we'll focus mainly on creating images and converting them into videos. Let's start by clicking on text-to-image. Now, this is where the creative part begins. If you already have a prompt in mind, you can type it directly into the prompt box. But if you're not sure what to write, Animon AI makes things easy by offering quick ideas. You can click on any of these quick ideas and the prompt will automatically appear in the prompt box. If none of them feel right, you can click the refresh button to load new prompt ideas. For this tutorial, I'll select one of the available prompts, and you can see that the text is now filled in automatically. Below the prompt box, you'll see the model selection option. You can choose between AnyFrame 1.0 and AnyFrame f.1s. I'll keep AnyFrame 1.0 selected as it works great for most image generations. Next, choose the aspect ratio. Animon AI gives you multiple aspect ratio options, but I'll select 16:9 since it's perfect for YouTube videos. Now scroll down to the Style section. Here you can choose Anime, 3D Anime, or No Style. For this example, I'll choose No Style to keep the image realistic and flexible for later video generation. Make sure the quantity is set to 1 and then click on the Generate button. Now give it a few moments. Animon AI will process the prompt and generate an image based on your description. Once the image is ready, take a look at the result. If you like it, you can download it directly to your computer. Now here's something really powerful that many people overlook. Animon AI also lets you edit your generated image using AI. So let's explore the image editing option. Upload the image you just generated. In the prompt box, type a simple instruction such as changing the color of her dress. You don't need to change any other settings for now. Keep everything else exactly as it is. Now click on Generate. Within moments, Animon AI will create an edited version of the image based on your new prompt. Compare the original image with the edited one. If you're happy with the result, go ahead and download it to your computer. Now comes the most exciting part. Let's turn this image into a video. On the left-hand side panel, click on the Anime option. Here, you have multiple ways to add an image. You can upload an image from your computer, select one from the assets you already created, or even use images from quick ideas. For this tutorial, I'll select the image from the assets we just created. Now, type a prompt describing the action you want in the video. For example, you can describe subtle movements, facial expressions, or cinematic motion. Next, choose the model Anacut 1.5. Set the duration to 5 seconds. Keep the quantity set to 1. Now click on the Generate button. This process may take about a minute, so be patient. Once the video is ready, preview it carefully. As you can see, Animon AI has transformed a static image into a smooth animated video clip. But it doesn't stop there. If you want to enhance the video further, you can use additional options such as upscale to improve quality, extract frame to capture still images, or even extend the video by a few more seconds. These features are extremely useful if you're creating content for social media or storytelling videos. If you're satisfied with the final result, simply download the video onto your computer. And just like that, you've created an image-to-video AI clip in minutes using Animon AI. This tool is perfect for YouTubers, marketers, content creators, and anyone looking to create high-quality visuals without complex software or editing skills. You can use these videos for YouTube intros, shorts, Instagram reels, TikTok content, or even AI storytelling channels. Anamon AI truly stands out as one of the best free AI video generators available right now. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.